हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज का टॉपिक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग है बिकॉज आई ऑल्सो हैड सो मेनी क्वेश्चन व्हेन आई वाज टेकिंग एडमिशन इन आर्किटेक्चर. सो टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू आंसर टॉप 10 asked question by students before taking admission in architecture. I am Apeksha Agrawvanshaj. I am an architect and interior design expert. So before any further ado, let's get started. Question number 1. Can I do architecture if I am not a PCM student? So if you are not a PCM student, you cannot join this course because PCM is mandatory. But according to the new education guidelines, you have the choice to select the subject as per your interest. But these guidelines are not implemented yet. So if you are going to take admission in 2021, 2 or 3, the answer is clearly no. And after implementation also, I think maths is going to be compulsory. If there will be any update, I'll make another video on that. Question number 2. Should I join architecture if my sketching or drawing is not good? Sketching was mandatory when there was no software available, but let me clear you, this course is not only focusing on hand sketching or drawing. So if you have that skill, that is your plus point. But if you are taking admission in this course, you have to be good at imagination and you have to be creative enough to design something new. And there is so many software which you can use for your designing. Question number 3. BArch is the toughest course. There is nothing tough or easy. अगर आपने बहुत सोच समझ के एडमिशन लिया है तो that is not too tough for you. But the thing is 50% स्टूडेंट्स को एडमिशन लेते टाइम इसके बारे में ज़्यादा नॉलेज नहीं होती है, तो उनके लिए ये बहुत टफ हो जाता है बिकॉज देयर इज़ लॉट्स ऑफ मेंटल एंड फिजिकल प्रेशर्स ऑफ सबमिशन दैट यू हैव टू गिव ऑन रेगुलर बेसिस. But I must say this course is different from other courses because there is lots of site exposure and they are not only focusing on bookish knowledge. Question number 4. Is architecture costlier than other courses? Yes, this course is costlier than other courses because first of all this is 5-year program and it required so many equipments and stationery, and there is also submissions on regular basis that increases your expenses as well. Question number 5. BTech Civil or BArch, which course should I choose? I was also confused between civil and architecture when I was taking admission, but मैं आपको बहुत ही simple language में बताती हूँ. If you are interested in construction techniques, if you are interested in site works or field work, I would say, then you should choose civil. And if you are interested in planning, designing and creativity, then you should choose architecture. Question number 6. What is the training time period and is it included in the course? Yes, training time period is included in the course, that is 2 semester training जो कि maximum colleges follow करते हैं. Question number 7. Is COA registration compulsory? First of all, let me tell you what is COA registration. COA, that is Council of Architecture, gives you a registration number after completion of the course, and that is your identity as an architect. If you want to sign any government document, if you want to open your own office, you require that COA number and that is mandatory. ऐसे भी बहुत सारे colleges हैं जिनके registration COA ने cancel कर दिए हैं, so you need to check that before taking admission in any college. Question number 8. Is NATA examination compulsory? NATA means National Aptitude Test in Architecture, gives you a score which helps you to take admission in good colleges, but this is not mandatory till now. Question number 9. When can I open my own office? You can open your own office after getting the COA registration number, as I said before. Question number 10. Campus placement after BArch. अगर मैं कैंपस प्लेसमेंट की परसेंटेज में बात करूँ तो आई थिंक 2 और 3% ही होते हैं, जो कि सिर्फ IITs एंड NITs में होते हैं मोस्टली. बट होल्ड ऑन, देयर इज़ सो मैनी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ आफ्टर आर्किटेक्चर. यू कैन ओपन योर ओन ऑफिस. देयर इज़ सो मैनी जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ इन प्राइवेट एंड गवर्नमेंट सेक्टर बोथ, and also in other countries. And you can also switch in so many fields like interior designing, graphic designing, product designing, set designing, etc. And there is so many options after doing BArch. So that's it for today, guys. If you want to ask something, let me know in the comment box. And if you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.